This episode will focus on Kanbans for small manufacturing units like bakeries and meat processing. The Kanban names comes from two words, kan meaning sign and ban meaning board. It really means sign board. This is exactly what it is. It guides you to where to go next. There are many kinds of Kanbans and I will be addressing them in all areas of your organization. But this episode will focus on small manufacturing units. Kanban can be used in the storage of products used for manufacturing and to create pull on these items. Once Kanbans are set up and used, they are very effective. Let's look at how they work. A basic Kanban card is created and it gives a description of the item, the reorder level, the reorder quantity, and the supplier. The card is then physically inserted at the reorder level. The stock will be used to manufacture the required items. When the Kanban is revealed, it's placed on a hook, indicating to everyone that the stock is now at reorder level. This creates a visual that needs to be acted upon. Once the replacement stock is ordered, the card is placed onto the ordered hook, so everyone is aware it has been ordered. When the stock arrives, the card is once again placed at the reorder level. The advantage of Kanban is that the card placement can be changed easily according to season or predicted supply issues. It basically automates the supply of raw products to the manufacturing unit. Here we have a manufacturing butchery that chose to pack their products in plastic crates in the cold rooms after manufacture. Kanbans were made and vacuum packed to keep them easy to clean. The one side had the code, product information, location of storage and restock quantity. The other side had the recipe with a picture of the correct way to pack and the correct sizing of packaging. Note the quantity to make at one time was 15 kgs. This meant that they had to stick to a standard using standard work. This maintains quality and prevents shrinkage. When the crates were filled up with the product, the Kanban was put in the crate at the reorder level. This changes according to season. The manufacturing butchery orders were packed from the cold room. When the team's packing got to a Kanban, they'd hang it next to the door. If they saw a problem like no stock, they put it onto an andon hook for the floor manager to see so he could respond to the problem. The Kanbans were taken over to the manufacturing hook and placed in sequence to be made, with the person always taking the first string on the hook, not picking or choosing what they want to make first, acting on the demand of the customer's pull. The manufacturing teams had different hooks on the floor, and they made specific products so they could ensure flow at the workstations. Outcomes. We measured our ability to fill orders first time on time, before and after using Kanbans. The improvement was over 60%. This allowed us to identify the reasons we had a gap. This mostly linked to a shortage in certain meat cuts required to make a product. This allowed the person ordering to contact the supplier and show the problem to them so they could assist in stabilizing the supply. The bakery used a similar system for their products for baking. They went to the extent of turning their own mixers into premixes with a JIT mindset. By doing this, they started to get it right every time with very little waste or shrinkage.